ready to turn website visitors into paying customers. Let's build a lead magnet directly within Wix. First, decide what valuable content you'll give away for free. Think of books, checklists, templates, something your target audience truly wants. Next, design your lead magnet. You can use Canva or even create a simple PDF within Wix. Then, access the Wix dashboard and click on Marketing and SEO. Scroll down to find Email Marketing, click on Email Marketing, and then choose the template that best suits your brand. Don't worry about the content just yet, we're focusing on the opt-in form for now. Within the email editor, locate the opt-in form element. You might need to add it if one isn't present. Customize the form fields, ask only for essential information, like name and email. Less is more. Now, navigate back to your Wix dashboard and find the Wix Forms app. If you don't have it, download it from the Wix app market. This is where the magic happens. In the Wix Forms settings, connect your form to Wix automations. This lets you automatically send your lead magnet after someone signs up. You can then create an automation that triggers when a visitor submits the form. Configure the automation to send an email containing a link to download your lead magnet. Test the entire process. Subscribe through your form and ensure the lead magnet arrives in your inbox now. Embed the form on a relevant page of your site. Promoting your lead magnet on social media and other platforms will boost your lead generation.